Hello everyone. So you already know that we have already completed the SST, that is History, Civics and Geography part of class 10th IECSC board in all my videos. Even we have also completed the Geography and History of class 9th also. So now it is the time for you to start your revision. Videos are already uploaded on YouTube, but now it is the time for you to start the revision. So for that I will be uploading some sample papers and solution also. So this is the sample paper 1 for the history civics. This sample paper will be in a proper format which you will get in your board examinations, and with this I'll give you the solutions also, because till now you have understood that what is the chapters and what are the contents in that chapters, but you should know about how to write the answers also. So starting with this first sample paper of history and civics, this is how you will get the instructions in your paper, and there will be some specific instructions. So the paper will be divided into two part. In first part, these are the questions from civics, 10 questions of 1 marks. You can pause it over here and you can write these questions. The main purpose of giving you these questions and answers are that when you will be doing the preparation for your board examination, you should know what type of questions will be asked and what are the criteria of asking and how you should give the answers of these questions. So these are the 10 questions, short questions from civics. After that, coming to the history, these are the questions, 10 questions of 2 marks. Now coming to the part 2, which will be of 50 marks. In section 1, civics will be there. From civics there will be 3 questions. So all these 3 questions will consist of 10 marks. Sometimes there will be more parts, and sometimes there are 3, 2 or 4, 5 parts like this, but I have given you these questions. अगर आप ये जितने क्वेश्चंस बताए जा रहे हैं इन दी सैम्पल पेपर की सीरीज जो अब चलेगी, जो हल्के हल्के करके अपलोड करे जाएंगे, अगर वो भी आप कर ले तो यू कैन गेट गुड मार्क्स. So these 3 questions from civics. Now coming to the history part, you have to attempt any 3. So these are the questions which I have given in these sample papers. Sample paper 1. You can note these questions. Pause video over here and note these questions first. And this picture study is, I think, in most of the time we have one picture study from any chapter. आती ही आती है, 99% पिक्चर स्टडी आपको मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. तो पिक्चर स्टडी में आपको एक फ़ोटो दिया होगा और उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. नाउ मूविंग टू द आंसर्स. नाउ आई विल गिव यू द आंसर्स ऑफ दीज ऑल क्वेश्चंस. अगर आप उसको वैसे ही याद करेंगे और वैसे ही आंसर करके आएंगे तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं. और इन सैम्पलर्स के थ्रू इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं और ये आपके बोर्ड में आने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं. सो फ्रॉम हेयर द आंसर्स आर स्टार्टिंग. पार्ट 1, question 1. These are the answers. You can write these answer. Pause the video and write all these answers. After that, these are the other answers. Coming to question number 2, these are the answers. Always remember that you have to do answers number wise, synchronized way, because that will be easy for the examiner to check your answers, right? And give good spaces while you are giving your answers. Till here the question number 1 and 2 are completed. Moving to the section A of part 2, question number 3 answer. first part is this, second part is this, third part is this, district court and session court. All the points of differences are there. Remember, whenever you will get the differentiate between questions, you have to do the questions like this only, like while making the proper tables. Coming to answer number 4, these are the first part and the second part of answer 4. In second part, this is also included. This is the formula, if you remember from your civics. MP's vote and MLA's vote. Single transferable voting system, very important part. Coming to question number 5, parliamentary procedures are given over here. Coming to the second part of your question number 5, these are the compositions of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and what is no confidence motion, and what is the process of no confidence motion is given over here. Part V, that is of history, section B and part 2 second. This is question number 6. In this, Ilbert Bill is given, and what are the provisions of Ilbert Bill. After that, Swadeshi movement, early nationalist and a certain nationalist differences are given over here. These are the points in which they are against each other. After that, Lucknow Pact is one of the very, very important topic. From Lucknow Pact, you will definitely get 90%, you will get some questions which may be in the form of this short question, or maybe from the long question you will get Lucknow Pact. Forward block, again it's very important. Objectives of the INA. Now coming to the Mountbatten's plan. What is the plan of Mountbatten? Always remember to write the correct spellings, right? Question number 8 is about civil disobedience movement, why it is started, and what are the things which this movement involves in it. Coming to the round table conferences, first table, second table, third table, why they are not okay, why the Congress is not okay with it, why Gandhiji has attended second round table conference. Meaning of the Swadeshi, very important part. Swadeshi movement, Indian independence movement, nationalist, partition of Bengal, Swaraj, Vande Mataram movement in Andhra Pradesh. The impact of Swadeshi. Please pause the video and write the answers. Coming to the Quit India movement. This is Quit India movement. How many people are included in it? It is written over here. Where are the demonstrations took place? About the protest and strikes. Policy of appeasement relating to World War. Now, United Nations General Assembly. It is one of the organ of United Nations. What are their work and what are the functions of UNGA is given over here. These are the functions. After that, moving to the third part, that is NAM, non-aligned movement. What are their objectives are given over here in this part. Please note this. Coming to the last, that is the picture study question. Picture किसके बारे में थी? What happened, when it happened, किसने करा था, क्या रीज़न था. The other causes of the World War One are given over here. There are many causes, but I have written 3 causes over here. You can write others also, but these causes are good, and you can add nationalism in it also. These causes you can easily remember, therefore I have written over here. And these causes also relates to other question also. So if you'll read this, you will learn this, you will can answer the other questions also. Now coming to the Treaty of Versailles, what are the clauses of Treaty of Versailles? Why it is humiliating for the Germany? These answers. So this is how we have completed our sample paper 1 for the history with question answers. So you will do all the answers, read it again, write down it, learn it to get the good marks in your board examinations. Shortly, by tomorrow maximum, I'll be giving you sample paper 2 also of history civics. After that, we will move to geography sample paper 1 and sample paper 2. I have also solved the geography's 2019-20 paper. Okay, that also I will give you within the span of 1 or 2 days. Thank you.